Hello everyone, the topic of the today's video is preposition of motion or movement. We have already seen what is a preposition. Preposition of motion is used to show movement from one place or from one direction to another direction. It's showing the movement of anything. Let us discuss the important prepositions of motion or movement one by one. First one, into. Into indicates the movement from the outside to the inside of something, like into the pond, into the fire. Let us see an example here. Jump into the river. Next, along. Along indicates movement from one end to the other end, like along the river bank, along the road. Look at the picture. What are they doing? Walking along the river. Next, across. Across indicates movement from one side to the other of something, like across the road, across the sea. We have seen here example across the road. Next, towards. Towards is used to mean in the direction of, like towards the north, towards Delhi. Let us see an example here. Towards the north. Next, to. To is used to indicate the destination, like to America, to the shop, to your house, to school. Let us see an example here. Going to school. Next, by. By expresses the means of an action, like by train, by coaching, by sea. Let us see an example sentence. Go to school by bus. Next, through. Through denotes motion or movement within an object from one end to the other end, like through the tunnel, through the room. Let us see an example. The train passes through the tunnel. Next, around. Around indicates to go in a circular direction due to an obstacle, like around the world, around the park. Let us see an example here. Around the world. Next, up. Up indicates the movement of ascent, like up the tree, up the ladder. Let us see an example here. Climb up the tree. Down. Down indicates the motion of descent, like down the stairs, down the road. Let us see an example sentence here. Down the stairs. Next, off. Off indicates the motion away from a surface, like off the wall, off the ceiling. Let us see an example here. Jump off the wall. Next, onto. Onto indicates motion of ascent and the present place of anyone, like onto the table, onto the roof. Let us see example here. Climbed onto the roof. Next, over. Over indicates the motion to pass above something, like over the pool, over the fence. Let us see example. Jumped over the fence. Next, past. Past indicates motion to a place further than a particular point, like past the post office, past her house. You can see here example. Walked past the post office. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.